Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to start our new chapter, lines and angles. We have studied that a minimum of 2 points are required to draw a line. In this manner, here are our 2 points A and B. Okay, so minimum 2 points are required to draw a line, and we have studied some axioms also to prove our statements. Now let's understand some basic terms and definitions. Angle. What is an angle? Angle is formed when two rays originate from the same end point. Let's take this as an end point, and when two rays like this starts from this point, and this point will be our vertex. Okay, now two rays are originating from the same end point, so these rays will be called as arms. These rays will be called as arms, and the end point will be called as vertex. Vertex of these two arms. Okay, we have studied different types of angles such as acute angle, right angle, right, obtuse angle. Now let's understand these angles in a better manner. First, let's draw an angle like this. These are our two rays originating from the same end point. Now what type of angle are these two rays forming? The angle here will be called as acute angle, right? This angle is an acute angle. Why is this acute angle? What is the measurement for an acute angle? When this x will be greater than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, this angle or this x will be called as an acute angle. Now let's take another example and draw a ray like this and a ray like this. Now this is our vertex, this is our originating point of these two rays. Now this angle x is called as right angle. Why it is right angle? Because it is forming 90 degree. 90 degree is called as right angle. Okay, now let's take this as an originating point, and a ray is originating from point like this, and another ray is originating from this point like this. Okay, so now this angle will be Z. What type of angle is this? Z will be our obtuse angle. What is an obtuse angle, and what are the measurements of an obtuse angle? When this angle will be greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, this angle will be called as obtuse angle. Now let's take another originating point. Okay, and one ray is originating from this point like this, and another ray is originating from this point in the opposite direction. So these are the two arms of this point. Now what type of angle is this? S is forming what type of angle? This will be called as straight angle. Straight angle. And what is the measurement of this angle? 180 degree will be the measurement of this angle. Now let's take another originating point, and an arm is originating from this point like this, and another arm is originating from this point like this. Okay, so now what type of angle is this? Let's take this angle as T. This angle will be called as reflex angle. What is the measurement of this angle? This angle will be greater than 180 degree and less than 360 degree. When the angle is following these rules, we can name that angle. We can name that as acute angle, we can name that as right angle, we can name that as obtuse angle, we can name that as straight angle, and we can name that as reflex angle. So now in this chapter we have to learn different types of angles. Like for example, let's take these two rays. Okay, so let's take this as an angle X and this as an angle Y. Okay, so what are these angles? These angles will be called as vertically opposite angles. So we have to learn these terms in this chapter and solve the questions on the basis of these terms. So this was an introductory video to learn different types of angles. So we will start with our main topics in our next video, and if you have any doubt regarding any point or any chapter, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.